Hi. I will be your guide on how to remove yourself from OkCaller.com. But what is OkCaller.com? More than 800 million phone numbers and addresses can be found on the website OkCaller, a directory. What you can find on OkCaller is as follows. Now, here's how to do OkCaller opt-out tasks by hand. Step 1. Visit OkCaller.com now. Second, the OkCaller search bar is where you enter your phone number. Step 3. Choose whether you want to be contacted by phone or text to confirm your identity by scrolling down to the Change Your Listing portion of the website. Fourth, to update the listing, enter the PIN you were given in the new listing's caller ID. When someone searches for a phone number on the OkCaller website, the information that appears is the caller ID. Use private, unknown, or unlisted as the caller ID if you want to reject their platform and remove your number from their database. Step 5. Be aware that the listing is marked as private and that the phone number no longer has any related information. That's a wrap. Thank you for watching.